Welcome everybody to CBDMEDIC Affiliate Program Tutorial. My name is Josh Schneider. I am the director here of the affiliate program, and I would love to show everybody how this program works and how you can start making money with us. This program I'm going to show you is very simple to use. Anybody can get into this, and it's as simple as sharing your links online, coupon codes, and educating the public about CBD and its healing powers. So I'm just going to click in here to the main page here for joining the affiliate program. If you haven't already done so, go ahead, click join now. Approvals happen within 24 hours. It's pretty quick, and of course we make sure that we get you all the materials you need to generate some of that commission. So just to log in, I'm going to go ahead and click join now. Alright, so we have here the affiliate dashboard. This is the first thing that you see when you log in. And we're going to go ahead and focus here on the left hand side of where the referral codes are, your coupon codes. It's all right here. Real simple. You click here and it's copied. And you can go ahead and paste those links anywhere you like. You can also copy here, and that'll copy your coupon code, which you can also share. Just a reminder, if you don't have a coupon code or it's not showing up for you, please get in touch with us. We will help you to add the coupon code to your account and make sure that it's active so that any of the customers that you are referring to us will receive their 10% discount on their first purchase, and you'll also receive that commission for that as well. The referral link, which you can also share, is currently on default to the home page. If you'd like to have a link that is directing specifically to a page in the website, like a product page, go ahead and just click on create a link. And then here you'll just go ahead and put in shop, or you put in whatever URL that you would like to have on there. So here you'll just be able to copy and paste any URL from our website and go ahead and place it right here. I just put in shop, and then you go ahead and create link. Now if you did have, if you weren't sure if you made a link before, you can go to your previous created links, and then you'll have a list right here of the links that you previously created, and that way you don't have to make more duplicate links. You just have it all right here. It's kind of nice. You go ahead and click get link, and then it gives you the full link right there. And if you want to create another link, you can go ahead and do that. Boom. You go right there, put it like that, create a link. Done. Now all it's really doing, it's not very sophisticated. It's very straightforward. It's just taking the URL that you want to direct customers to, and then it adds a tracking tag here, which is called RFSN, which is short for refersion, and that's the affiliate platform program that we're using to track all of our affiliates and make sure all of our creatives are there, and it's working really well. So this little number here, string of numbers here, is actually unique to you as an affiliate, so nothing will get lost, and the system will know exactly who referred who. All right, and if you click here shorten, it just shortens the link, and it shortens it with a bit.ly, which is a very popular URL shortener, and you can do that and just copy and then paste it. So here on the right hand side here you have financials, and you're going to see exactly how much money you have here that's going to be paid on your next payment date. Now again, if you haven't heard this before, we are paying on every 1st and 15th of every month. The next thing here is your commission rewards. So this is the base commission awards. It's 20% when customers are purchasing using your referral link. That percentage can change, and obviously any changes in your commission you will be notified by email, and also you can check to see it here on your dashboard. Your referral links, if you're using a referral link, not the coupon code, the referral link, what it actually will do is it'll drop a cookie inside of the user's browser, the customer's browser, with your unique ID. And that way, if they don't make a purchase the first time and they come back maybe 2 weeks later or a month later and decide to make a purchase, the system will remember that you are the one who originally referred them, and will make sure that you get the credit for that order. So quickly, the next tab here are the creatives. Here are the banners that you can actually download or copy however you like. You can put them on your websites, your blogs, Facebook, Instagram, you name it, we got it. If there's something missing or you have some suggestions, we are all ears. We want to hear any ideas that you might have that could help boost your sales. So you let us know. We'll be more than happy to work with you to try to come up with some interesting creatives for you to share online. So you have also some logos here if you want to use those, if you're making like a review page, or if you want to have it on your website as sort of a sponsorship, that's fine, we can do that. You have also these individual products, so if you're doing a product listing, or if you're just sharing a blurb about a particular product that you really enjoyed, you can also use any of these images from our files. The next thing here is the conversions tab. Conversion tab is just going to show you every single conversion, which is basically every order that was made by your referral code or who's ever used your coupon code. All right, and you'll also be able to see the order total and how much commission you made from that order total. Okay, so if you're making a lot of sales in a month, you want to kind of look at your progress month over month, what the average order totals were from the people that you're referring, how much commission you're making. So this kind of gives you sort of the benchmarks month over month, or week over week, of how you're progressing and doing, and what things you may have done or might have done in regards to marketing, if it was a post you did on Instagram or on Facebook, or maybe you have a special blog post that is getting a lot of traffic, so you want to see if that reflected in the amount of sales that you did in that particular week or month. So the next tab here is payment history. It's very straightforward, is what it is. It'll actually show you here all the last transactions of payments that we had sent you. So a lot of affiliates really love to see kind of month over month, or every 2 weeks, whenever they get paid, what were the last transactions, just kind of keeping an eye on your books, all right? So the next tab here is messages. Messages is really important to check. If you haven't gotten an email notification when we do affiliate announcements, you should come in here once in a while just to check to see if there's any new messages that we have posted. I went ahead and posted here a couple days ago. If you haven't already, please send us your coupons. We want to add your coupon codes to our back office and also to your affiliate platform, so you can start using those coupons, getting those customers in the door so they can get their 10% off discount, and also for you to get your commission. If you have any questions or would like any help with anything, we always have a little place here you can add a message here. I myself get messages all the time, so feel free to bug us. We love to help. You can also reach us on Facebook Messenger. You can also contact us by email. We're always available almost 24 hours a day. So anything you need, just ask. We're here to help you. So last tab here is settings. Settings is just like any other settings. You have your time zone. So if you're moving around, or if you're going to be at a certain location for a certain period of time, you can change your time zone here. That just reflects obviously on the reporting side. That's the only thing that changes. Name and address. It's important to make sure that you do kind of fill up your information as much as possible. It's easier for us if you have your address and city and state and zip and all that stuff, because then when we do want to send out samples or certain prizes and things like that, we know where to send it. You also have your payment settings, which is just your PayPal email. So if you haven't already, when you registered your account, please go and enter your PayPal email. This will save everybody a lot of heartache when it comes to payments. We don't have to delay in payments. We can just click the magical button and have that payment sent out to you right away through PayPal without having to email you or try to reach out to you to figure out what that PayPal email is. All right. And the last here is the password. So if you decide you want to change your password, just put your current password, you put your new password, and you confirm your password. Click Save. Done. Alright, so that's the end of the affiliate program tutorial. I'm happy that you took some time to learn about our program. Hopefully you understand a little bit more about how to use it and how to apply it to whatever you're going to be doing online to make some money for yourself and promote our brand, CBDMEDIC. If you have any questions or any comments, please drop us a line here through the program. Get us on Messenger and Facebook. You can tag us on Instagram, on Twitter. Reach us out on email. We're here to help you. We want to make sure that you make money because it's a win-win relationship. So let's get out there and start making some sales.